God almighty, y'all. Have to go to the back for this one. Good God almighty. It is Thursday, May the 8th. I got out of work early today, and I am out here. So I ordered some of these, man. These are some Ozark trail baits. This is allegedly a saltwater pack right here. It's supposed to have stainless steel hardware on it, which if it does, great. I want to say these were, this little pack right here of 2 was like $8, $8.99, somewhere along in there. So that actually means that these were pretty cheap. I mean, so if they work, as long as they dive down and stay pretty straight, we'll be good with these. I actually like this color, a little blue back, a little chartreuse belly, chartreuse on the bottom, and this silver prism flash type stuff on the sides. And I'm gonna put this on my Falcon Coastal 7.5 foot. It's a medium action rod. I'm not even gonna put a leader on this today. One of the last days I came out here with my buddy, he didn't have a leader on and didn't really seem to bother the fish too much, but also this water has been a little bit dingy. It looks like it's a little bit clearer today. I came yesterday afternoon, but it was just too muddy. I had a couple of bites, had a few bites, had one big fish blow up on the top water plug, but for the most part we didn't do very good yesterday. So we're gonna try it again today, see what happens. Got a pretty good one hooked up here. Measure this one. I think this one's about 19 inches. About 19 inches or so. 18. Ooh, he might be a 20. Let's measure that one with our real measuring stick here. Nope. Just a hair short of 20. 19 3/4. There's one. Another pretty nice one. Nice keeper. That's huge. Another 18 incher. There we go. Oh, another 19-inch fish. Another pretty 19-inch fish. Oh man, I just got slammed again. There he is. I also now have 3. Keeper. I have to get the pliers out for that. There we go. Nice pretty fish. Good God Almighty. This is a pretty good one, y'all. Get this one in. Another 19-incher. Nice big healthy female. Big nice female. Another 19 and a half. Pretty fish. All the spots that we've hit so far, the rocks are pretty much either just right up underneath the surface or they have broken the surface. Good God Almighty, y'all. Have to go to the back for this one. Ooh, that's a nice fish. Man, he's pulling some drag. He don't want to come up. I seen the fish. Here he comes, here he comes. Nice fish. Look at that fish. Look at that fish. Man, that's a good one. Another good one. See if we can get him in the boat. Yep, we got him in the boat. Another 19-incher. That one might be 20. That one might be 20. We're gonna measure him on the big board. Oh heck, he was hooked good. I didn't think he was hooked that good. All right, here we go. Let's measure him on the big board. Oh yeah, our first one of the day over 20. 20 and a half. There we go. 20 and a half. Pretty fish. Come back. Nice. Nice. Man, so far, I'm loving this jerkbait. That's number 5 for us. 2 ahead of the live baiters over here. All I'm doing, I'm just taking this jerkbait. I don't think this one's a suspending jerkbait. I think it's a slow floating jerkbait. And basically, just kind of jerk it down. I'm not letting the reel do the work. I'm letting the rod do the work, right? Like I'm jerking it, and while I'm jerking, I'm just reeling up the slack. I'm not actually moving the bait with the reel. It's all with the rod, and that's the big thing about jerk baits is you want the rod to do all the work. You don't want the reel to do the work. It's not a crank. There's another one. There's another one. It's not a crankbait. This is a smaller fish here. Oh, the little Spanish. Well, I forgot to turn my camera on. Oh, we got another little keeper here. Smallest fish we've caught all day. It's about a 16-inch fish. There we go. Oh my God, no, there he is. There Oh yeah, little guy. Definitely helps you out. Like if you get hung up in the rocks, you can sit there and play with it a little bit, and it'll, most of the time, it'll back on out. Man, come on, fish. Come on, come on, come on, come on. There we go. Little guy. First undersized fish that we've caught today. First one. He hit it pretty good, actually. I actually thought he was going to be a little bit bigger. He hit it and was running straight at the boat. Oh. That one hit it hard too. I don't think he's very big. Nah. He might be a keeper. Yeah, he's probably a keeper actually. He's probably 15 1/4. There we go. Big old Spanish. Back. Had to retie. I had a few frays in my line. I didn't want to start fishing with a bunch of frays in my line, especially if we start hooking some decent fish again. I'm gonna fish over here on this north side of these rocks here and see if we can't catch something decent over here. I gotta get away from these. So pretty shallow in between these rocks here, but there's a little cut through in here. Oh my goodness, y'all. I seen that fish. He short struck us right here at the boat. That was a good one. With my left hand is literally picking up the slack. So in slow motion, it's like, and I'm never working the bait with the actual reel. It's all with the right hand. And that way you get the bait going side to side and kind of digging a little bit. Whereas if you're reeling and jerking, all it's doing is just doing this. It's just swimming the whole way. It's not really doing what it needs to do, which is that abrupt stop and then that sudden jerk again. So, and it also makes that bait get really, really loud whenever you're jerking it like that. If it's calm and in this aluminum boat, you can actually feel and hear the jerk bait coming back towards you if it's calm. You don't have all this wave action and stuff, and you can hear it go every time you jerk it. Very loud rattle sound. So all right, just watch my hands again. And that's the way that I work a jerk bait. So this takes a little bit of practice, and once you get that, once you get it down, it just becomes second nature to you. It really does. and you'll start noticing you'll get more bites whenever you start working it right. Sometimes it takes a little bit of time to get used to it, but next time you guys go out, just kind of remember, there's one, all of your action is in the right hand, none of it's in the left hand, or whichever hand is on the rod, that's the hand that you do all the action with. You don't do any of the action with the hand that's actually on the reel. You want everything to be done with the rod. Looks like a pretty good one there, fellas. I think he's over 20. So I think he's in the 19-inch range. Fish. Heck yeah. 19 inches.